Hello, everyone. Dr. Tim Creel here. Welcome to week two of the 8-week version, the bi-semester version of advanced managerial accounting. So let's get into what we're looking at. So this week we're moving into chapters 2 and 3. So we're basically going to talk about job order costing. Both of them look at job order costing. And job order costing, what it is it's a method of costing products or services that companies do whenever they can kind of differentiate the cost of a particular job, product, service, or batch. So basically, think about it this way: if a company is building a house, they will separate all the cost of that house to that house. And then if a customer is servicing a client, like a law firm is servicing a client, they'll put all the cost to that client. If a company makes a batch, like of college t-shirts, they'll put all the cost to that batch. So job order costing is used in manufacturing, and a lot of the examples in the book you're going to see related to manufacturing, but it does have some very wide scale uses in other industries, such as the service industries. Like I said, accounting firms, legal firms, they differentiate cost by client. Hospital differentiates cost by patient. And so there's a lot of companies that use job order costing outside of manufacturing industries and types of companies that do. So we're going to look at a couple of things in this chapter. Is that a couple of things you're going to see in chapters 2 and 3. One is you're going to see overhead. You're going to see the elements of product cost, which are direct materials, direct labor, and factory overhead. Now, the hard part of this is factory overhead. And so you're going to see that they're going to come up with a predetermined rate to allocate overhead. When a company is costing a product, the direct material, the direct labor are pretty easy to put to the product because you add tires to a car, you add an engine to a car, employees basically put the car together. Easy direct materials and direct labor, a lot of times are easy to calculate. Overhead, which would be all aspects of producing a product that are not direct materials or direct labor. So the utilities in the plant security team, the janitorial staff in the plant, so many things like that are hard to allocate to the product. And so we look at predetermined overhead rates and ways to do that. You're also going to kind of see a flow that comes in, that items come in as raw materials waiting to go into production. They move into work in process, which is like the assembly line as a product is being produced. And then they move to finished goods, which is the completed products that's waiting to be sold to a customer. So you're going to see basically kind of a flow of cost through this process as well. So good chapters, and you're going to see that the book mainly is going to take kind of a manufacturing approach, but just remember and keep in mind that there's a lot of aspects to these products or to the use of job order costing that is over and above just manufacturing. So basically, again, you see your narrated slides and PowerPoints that you can follow that go over the material we're covering in the chapters. And again, you've got assignments in McGraw-Hill Connect system, reading assignments, lecture video quiz, and exercises due this week. Have a fantastic week. Get with me if you've got any questions, and take care. Bye-bye.